friends, welcome back to my channel.
So in today's video we are going to talk about the best processors available under the price of 10,000 rupees only. If you want to play Free Fire like games on your PC, so all these processors are best for your PC, and please consider to subscribe. And if you like my content, then please like the video. So today's like aim is of 20 likes, so please complete that like goal. And on my 60,000 rupees PC build, there are above 250 views, so I am very gladful for that. So now without wasting any more time, so let's begin with our video. First of all, we are going to start with our Intel side, means our with blue team. So first processor is Intel Pentium Gold G6 400 processor. So this processor comes with 2 cores and 4 threads. So this processor supports LGA1200, means we have to take an H410 motherboard. And I am telling you guys, if you want to upgrade to i5 10th generation any CPU, so you can upgrade easily, means not to consider means K series CPU, but you can take any CPU in 10th generation and you can put on that motherboard. So this can be a future upgradable processor also for you. So this processor offers you 2 cores and 4 threads. So its speed is 4 GHz, and this processor supports memory up to 128 GB. So that is pretty much good thing. That
I like this processor because it comes in 7,000 rupees.
offers great value for its price. So for editing it is also good, so you can do editing on 1080p. If you want to play games like Free Fire or PUBG Simulator, means BGMI, that new game that have been came, GTA 5, so such games if you have to play, then you can pair a graphics card named GTX 1650 or GTX 1050 Ti. These both graphics card are beast for this processor, and you can play any game up to 1080p medium to low settings easily. So now let's talk about our second processor. So our second processor is Intel Core i3 10105F processor. So in this processor we have to put a dedicated graphics card, then only our PC will work, means the graphics will be load. So this processor is very good and performs very well. If you want to buy a processor under 10,000 rupees, then this processor is very good for its price. So this processor is upgradation of 10105. So let's talk about this processor specifications. So this processor comes with 4 cores and 8 threads. Its processor base frequency is 3.70 GHz and max turbo frequency up to 4.40 GHz, and it's of 6 MB cache, smart cache, and it offer you 65 watt TDP, and it supports RAM up to DDR4 2666 MHz RAM, and it supports up to 128 GB of RAM. So you can put in your PC RAM up to 128 GB, but I know no one will put that so much RAM in. So most important thing, in this PC you can edit 1080p 60 fps very smoothly. If you are buying 10.5, that is also pretty much good. So all the links are in the description. If you want to check extra information for this processor, so you can click the link below given in the description and check the extra information on this both CPU. So 10105F is a very good processor for editing as well as gaming or doing 3D works. I don't know, but I have not done it at. So this processor is good for gaming and editing, and if you want to do coding, so coding can be done smoothly on this PC, gaming also, and every other task it can run smoothly, and it is very decent for its price. So if you want to buy Ryzen 3 3100, it is the price in the market is up to 11 or 12,000, so that is very high. And in my local area I searched, this processor was getting only for 8,400 rupees. So please considering checking your offline market, so you can get a great deal with that processor. So let's move up to our second processor. Third processor is our Intel Core i3-9100F. So this processor comes with 4 cores and 4 threads. So in local market it will get up to 8,000 rupees. So you can check out in your offline market. It will cost you cheaper than the online. So let's talk about i3-1099100F. So its memory specifications, this processor supports up to 64 GB RAM, and it supports DDR4 2400 MHz RAM only, and it doesn't support means if you want to put in RAM in 4 channels, means 3 channels or 4 channels, so you cannot put. Only 2 maximum memory channels are available for this PC. So keep in mind. So this processor comes with 4 cores and 4 threads. So its base frequency is 3.60 GHz and its max turbo frequency is 4.20 GHz, and its cache is of 6 MB. So on this processor you can pair a graphics card such as GTX 1650, GTX 1660, like you can pair GTX 1650 Super. Such graphics card you can pair on this processor, then this processor will perform like a beast. If you want to do video editing, coding or any other thing, this processor is best for doing anything of that. So now let's move to our another processor. So now we are starting from AMD processors. So let's begin. So our AMD's first processor is AMD Ryzen 3 1300X. So this processor is quite old, I know that, but this processor performs very good in this price range. So this processor will come in 6,000 rupees in offline market. Means this processor is not available now in market. You have to buy it only in used condition only. But this processor performs very beast. So you can consider this processor. So Ryzen 3 1300X comes with 4 cores and 4 threads. The most good part about this processor, because it is named as X, so we can overclock the CPU. If you want to buy a B360 motherboard, so you can buy and overclock the CPU. So that is pretty much good, and I have considered this both CPU i3 9100F and Ryzen 3 1300X. So you can see the specifications in between of these two PCs. So the cache memory of Ryzen 3 1300X is good and better than i3 9100, and Ryzen 3 1300X supports up to DDR4 2666 MHz RAM, but i3 9100F doesn't support up to 2666 MHz RAM. So this is the plus point of buying Ryzen 3 1300X. So its max memory bandwidth is also good than i3 9100F, and anyways both the CPUs are beast in their pricing. So let's move up to the other processor. Right now I am considering Ryzen 3 3100.
If you want to buy Ryzen 3 3100, it is the price in the market is up to 11 or 12,000. So that is very high.
In the local market, this processor is available. So this processor is available below 10,000 rupees. So this processor is beast processor alongside its price. So this processor comes with 4 cores and 8 threads. 4 cores and 8 threads. So its max boot boost clock is about 3.9 gigahertz, and the most important thing, the cache memory, it is of 18 MB guys. So seriously, it is very good for gaming and editing. So beast processor for both of them. So so performance so performance on the all these CPUs is brilliant. So anyways, how was the video? Please comment down below, and if you like my video, please considering clicking on like button, and if you like my content, then please considering subscribing. So if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel. So I make videos on tech related. So if you are interested, you can click on subscribe button and click the bell icon to and set it to all, so you can get my video notifications quickly. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Meet you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.